This is the ultimate acrylic nail kit to create professional, salon-quality nails at home. This kit comes with everything you'll need to build an acrylic nail base. There's gel paints to add a pop of color, tools to help you practice your skill, nail art brushes, lots of glitter, and 4 different acrylic powder colors. To help you create durable and long-lasting nails, you'll also receive nail tips and a high-quality mini UV lamp. To start the 2-in-1 acrylic nail and gel polish process, begin by manicuring your nails with the tools provided. Then you can start to apply the plastic tips with the provided nail glue to create a foundation for the acrylic. You'll receive 4 different acrylic powder colors for a more natural result. This acrylic powder creates a smooth, self-leveling finish, and the monomer liquid has a medium drying time, giving you enough time to extend the nail. After you've completed each step, be sure to place your nails under the UV lamp to cure. This nail kit comes with 12 beautiful and vibrant gel polish colors that are long-lasting and highly pigmented. Each color can make 2 different finishes with a glossy or matte top coat. Start with a base coat, then add your color, then place on a top coat using the UV lamp in between each step. And finally, the most exciting part, decorating your nails with nail art. Using the gel polish colors, this kit comes with an array of glitters, brushes, and other accessories to help you decorate your nails. Now you can get professional designs and artistic concepts on your nails at home for a much cheaper price. You can use this kit to create acrylic or gel nails, or you can use them together and do a 2-in-1 look just like this. With all of the colors, brushes, and glitters that this kit provides, the possibilities truly are endless.